Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well with you guys. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel. I'm back, guys, with Matrix Pro leads. Everybody's asking, hey, are you still using the leads? What's going on? Is it still working? Absolutely, I'm using the leads because they work. And if you recall, when I got started with it, remember the company is going to email you your leads, guys, too. They're going to mail them to you in the mail on peel and stick labels. Remember I showed you they come in these little envelopes. One of these little envelopes. They come in there and they're folded up, okay? So it's time for another one. I get these on a monthly basis. And then, of course, you can order more. This is just my auto ship. They come in this envelope, okay? So if you're in need of leads, they have the direct mail leads, they have the email leads, and they have the texting leads. So let me show you where those leads are on this screen, actually. So hang on a second. They're very affordable too. You can get 100 for $30. Test them out for yourself. So hang on a second. Okay, as you can see, we're on my page, because right here it has my name as a distributor. Okay, so let's click on order leads because I want you to see the different type of leads that you can actually order, guys. Okay, so when you go to the screen, guys, you're going to see this, which is their guarantee, their lead service guarantee. They offer a Nixie guarantee for your direct mail leads. If you get some returns, you just mail the company back the little yellow sticker that they put on it, and they give you 50 cents for each return. That's for your direct mail leads. If you order the email leads, okay, or the phone numbers, they say here on the website, they will replace every bad email address or every bad phone number with 2 leads. Okay, this is Matrix Pro's guarantee. Okay, so when you go here and you click order leads, you get this screen and it asks you, do you want to be a customer or an affiliate? Okay, so you decide whether you just want to order leads and test them out, or you actually want to be an affiliate and refer others to the lead service and receive a commission. Okay, so let me show you the affiliate options real quick. Okay, you have 2 options. If you just want to be an affiliate, it's $4.95 a month, and you get paid on one tier, one level, 33% on the very first order of each person you refer to your link. Okay, but as the other option is a business builder, which is what I am, I spend $4.95 a month and $30. So I spend $34.95 as a business builder, and I get paid 33% on my first order also. But I also can earn up to 10 levels of commissions. Okay, right here, 3 by 10 force matrix. Okay, with spillover. Okay, here's the illustration right here. Affiliate, $4.95 a month. You just get that first level and 33% off that first level. Nothing on 2 through 10. Whereas as a business builder, you get the 33% on that first order of each person, and then you get 3% on all the other levels up until level 10. You get 8%. Okay. So Business Builder works for me, and they pay you every week on your debit card if you order one. That's what I did, and I'll show you that as well. Okay, so test these leads out. So let's go take a look. Okay, so here are the leads. Direct mail leads, 100 is $30. Or you can get the email leads, which is what I just explained to you. But the email leads, this is what I've switched over to personally. I have these. Instead of the direct mail ones, I have the ones where I can get the name, address, email, and phone number. It's the same cost. But I want full access to all of that. Okay, because I'm going to be following up. I follow up with my leads, and I import them into my autoresponder. Okay. Okay, so you get email marketing leads or text message leads. They also come with name, address, phone number, name, mailing address, email, and phone number. Okay, and these they would have scrubbed these. So if you going to do ringless voicemail or something of that nature, this would be the option I recommend. Text and live call marketing leads. Okay, so those leads are $40 for 100. The call and text ones. If you go with the email ones for 100, they're 30. If you go with the direct mail for 100, they're 30. But you can get 250. Okay, you get 250 for $70 direct mail. If you want the email ones, they're 70 also. If you want the call and text, they're 80. If you want 500 direct mail ones, they're 135. If you want 500 email ones, they're 135. If you want the call and text marketing ones, they're 145. 1,000 leads will be 240. Okay, so test these out, guys. Test them out. I had mine, they're emailed to me, so I uploaded them into the Conversion Pros. I'm going to show you that in a second, okay? Because they email them to you in a CSV file, okay? So you can save those on your computer. I email these folks. Once I mailed my postcards, I sent them an email letting them know that I mailed them a postcard. Did you receive it? Did you have any questions? That's how I communicate with my leads, because they email them to me. Most companies do not email them and mail them. They give you an option of, do you want them to mail them or email them? Okay, this company does both. That's what I like about that. Okay, let me show you. My card came in the mail. This is what they put the commissions on. You get one of these. It has the name on it, Matrix Pro Leads. Okay, get you one of these. All your commissions will go there. And let me just show you a few commissions that I have received. They do pay every week. Hang on. Okay, as you can see right here, that's me, right? And they have added some commissions in here. Remember, you get paid 33% commissions on those first orders. So right here, there's a balance I have in there. I didn't even know I added $72.48 in there. Okay, that I can use for whatever. And let me show you, this is what I do. I use my profits to purchase more additional leads. Now, you know I'm on my auto ship, okay, automatically. I'm getting this in the mail every month, but I buy additional leads. So let me just show you. You take your profits. This is what I've done. So you can see down here, it shows where I purchased the card. It's $5.05, but I purchased more leads with the commissions. That's what you want to do. I even had a commission right here, $90. Okay, they came in from this system. It's trying to log me out. Hang on. Okay, so that's what you do. You use your profits to buy more leads. That's the name of the game. Use your profits to buy more. So let me show you. I received my leads via email, so I actually went over to the Conversion Pros and I uploaded them over there into my autoresponder. So check this out. Hang on a second. So with the Conversion Pros, you log in, you go to Contact Manager, right? And then you click up here. It says Import Contacts. And right here, see this green area? It says drop your CSV file right in there. That's all I did, guys. And my leads went right into my back office of the Conversion Pros. See how this works? It goes hand in hand. So you take those leads and you take them over here and you can put them in whatever autoresponder you already have created in the Conversion Pros. While we're over here, I thought I'd go and take a look at where we are with the Conversion Pros. This is another way to make money with your marketing system, referring other people to it. Everybody needs a marketing system. Doesn't matter what they're promoting. The residual income, and look what we've earned so far with TCP. Okay, so this is weekly pay and monthly pay that you can make referring others to the marketing system, the Conversion Pros. I'll put the link below. You can check them out as well. You can join for free and see if you like it. In 2 weeks, upgrade, guys. Start earning these commissions. All this stuff works if you just know how. You need a marketing plan. I'm here to help you get all this stuff set up. Just reach out to me and I will show you how. I even offer a service now with the Conversion Pros. I'll set your funnel up for you if you have a business you're trying to promote. and you want to use the Conversion Pros, I'll do that for you. I do have a service charge for that. Just reach out to me and I will let you know what it is, and I'll set everything up for you. But that's what we have today. Just want to come back with Matrix Pro Lead. I'm absolutely still using the leads. I will continue to use these leads, okay, because they just work. And I have multiple lead sources. This is just another one. It just makes sense so that you can refer other people and you guys can earn commissions for referring people to a lead source. We do that anyway, but most of the lead source companies do not pay you a commission. And with this, I have a marketing funnel, okay, for Matrix Pro Leads. So go check it out. Go to www.buyerleads.info. www.buyerleads.info. Go ahead and try our leads out. And again, the company's going to give you, they have a guarantee on returns, okay? So, thanks for checking out the video, guys. Look forward to working with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. I look forward to working with you guys. Be safe out there and have a blessed day.